Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Roddy. Just want to show you how I put the transmission inside the TC, and then after that I drove the car for several weeks, at least a month, and then I took the car down to in Central Florida, and it was a blast driving it back and forth. But then a few days after that I noticed that there was a few drippage in my driveway, and then I checked it out and it was not good. But anyways, I want you to enjoy this video, enjoy the footage, trips that I do every single month down to Cars and Coffee Central Florida, and it was a great time every time, so stay tuned.